Hello and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for your support. To all my old subscribers, thank you, and to my new subscribers as well, I say thank you. Thank you for the support. It's been so awesome. And today I'm making a Nigerian pepper turkey sauce, so follow me on this journey. So here I have my turkey well cleaned. I'm adding some seasoning, some salt, some curry powder. Here you can also use turmeric for those of you that prefer that. There's the thyme. So I'm just doing this just to prep my turkey, because what I'm going to do is I'm just going to parboil it for just a little while before I put it in the oven to grill. So I'm just going to cook it for a little while here. Then the vegetables that I'll be using, using some onions, some red sweet pepper, green pepper, and the yellow one. Then I also have ginger. I love ginger a lot. There's hardly anything I cook that I don't have ginger in it. And I also have garlic as well. Those two are my favorite in any meal. So I'm just going to slice this just to prep it for when I need them while my turkey is boiling. Okay, and so guys, I'm back here now with my turkey, so it's properly boiled. So I'm just going to transfer them into my pan and set it in the oven at 350 degrees for just about 15 to 20 minutes, just simply to make them brown, and just because I don't want to fry. But if you choose to fry, then you can do that as well. So because I'm going to be needing the broth from this turkey, so I'm just going to sieve this, just to take out the particles from it. So I'm just going to set this aside for when I need it. So here now I'm starting with the cooking oil. So you can use any type of cooking oil. And then after that is hot, I'm adding my garlic and ginger. Just fry for a little bit, about 1 minute. And I'm adding my sliced onions, some tomato paste, just for a little bit of thickening. That's why I'm adding the tomato paste here. And here I have pepper mix. That's a scotch bonnet, bell pepper, onions, and tomatoes. And I'm also adding seasoning cube here, thyme once again, and also curry powder here. As I said, you can also use turmeric. And this is the broth from the turkey that I sieved earlier. So I'm just going to mix this and cook it for a while. And here is my turkey. It's good enough for what I need it for. So while this has been cooking for a while, I'm going to add the turkey in there. So you just want it to just to swim in that sauce. That's what you want to get. You want to get that consistency. And here I'm adding my sweet peppers, the onions. So after adding all these, all I'm just going to do is properly mix them up together. After mixing them, I'm going to cover it up and probably just simmer it for about 2 minutes, just so that everything can infuse together. And that's all. And if you really like my videos, I really appreciate it. If you would like, give your comments, share your comments, and also share with friends and families. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the notification buttons just so you can always get my latest. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.